Well, that escalated quickly. Former tennis star James Blake was tackled onto a sidewalk and handcuffed by the police on September 9. If you thought that he did something wrong, you will be even more surprised than the officers who arrested him. Blake was caught up in a case of mistaken identity on Manhattan, and he had a nasty dose of law enforced on him when the cops mistakenly identified him as a man involved in an identity theft crime ring. Blake suffered a cut to his elbow and bruises to his leg when 5 civilian-clothed officers tackled him to the ground outside the Grand Hyatt Hotel. They kept him there for 15 minutes, and as Blake later revealed, the experience was definitely scary and crazy. The 35-year-old world's former No. 4 tennis player also said that, "There's no reason for anybody to do that to anybody without any warning," as they saw that he wasn't even running of putting up any resistance. William Bratton, NYC's police commissioner, issued a statement in which he echoed a similar way of thinking to Blake's. "It's very disturbing. The idea that he claims he was rushed by a person in a pair of t-shirt and shorts who pushed him to the ground and he was assisted by 4 others who identified themselves, ultimately, as police officers, and that he suffered an injury during that. Just the nature of what he described is not what we do. I will not tolerate any type of excessive use of force on the part of my police, but as always, we have that saying, the first story is never the last story." Blake said that he's lucky to have the resources to get to the bottom of the incident, but there are a lot of people who aren't that lucky. The former tennis star also added that he would like an apology from the police department and some sort of repercussion for the officers for their extreme actions.